So here's the setup for a standard. Your light looks pretty correct. You may want to take a few more pictures. Does it have this mount on the side, or maybe back here it's just a bare bulb, you know, that goes up against, or you know, metal thing or whatever. Doesn't look like anything comes out of it. It's got these brackets that are connected by down here. This is a holder of some sort for this bracket that goes into the lower part of the treble tray. Lower part of the triple tray, and it climbs up, and it fastens up in the top part of the triple tray. I don't know if you can see that. No, you can't see that. And then the standard has these style lights where there's a rubber flex. It's a little wide here and goes through a thin profile. And that's how the standard's set up. And again, we got this bracket here that comes to the light. On the Velcro there. So that's what standard looks like. Hope that helps.